Hello friends, it's me Ram, and I'm going to walk you through my drawing process, even though I'm still learning. First I colored in the base color for the skin tone I wanted to work with, and then removed the excess color using eraser tool. It took me a while, but it looked good in the end. Repeated the process with the hair. I used this really cute pastel green color because it's the color of my personality type INFJ. Using a soft airbrush in a bit darker shade of the skin tone, I added some dimension to the face and color to the lips. On a new layer, I added the base color for the eyes and smudged the crisp borders using a small round blending brush. I used a blend of two colors, the hair color plus the line art color for the eyes. Remember, blending is the key. Take your time for this. Adding highlights always makes it look 10 times better. I reduced the opacity of the line art, and now I am drawing new outlines on a new layer. Experiment with different blending brushes to achieve the look you want to create. This is how it looks.